Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and principal owner of Everett Tax Solutions, where we help you win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday, and when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics that are important to the small business community. So today I want to talk about forgiven PPP loan funds and the EIDL grant. Okay. So we've had a lot of changes going on with the EIDL, the PPP. The second round of PPP is available now, and EIDL has never stopped. They have extended the application deadline to December 31st of 2021. Okay, now previously, when you had a PPP loan forgiven, you also had the portion that was the grant portion, the EIDL grant portion, that was deducted from the amount of PPP loan forgiveness. And that basically you having to pay the EIDL grant back. Well, we know with the new bill that changed. Okay. Also, with the new bill, it stated that those funds would not be taxable. The PPP loan and the EIDL grant would not be taxable, and the expenses would also be tax deductible. So this really is free money, right? Please understand, though, that on a normal day, a grant is taxable income. But here's where the hiccup comes in, and this is what you need to be aware of. That the PPP loan, the forgiven PPP loan money, the EIDL grant money, may not be taxable at the federal level, but you still may be taxed at the state level. Not all states have conformed to this income not being taxable. So please, oh please, oh please, be careful to understand that just because it's not taxable at the federal level, it may still be taxable at your state level, and every state is different. So please do not ask, if this state, this state, this state. They're all different, okay? So they may choose to conform, they may not choose to conform. That is up to the state. So you have to be careful and know those rules. And as far as the deductibility of the expenses, that goes right along with it. Because if the funds are not tax deductible, then the expenses are not deductible either, right? So this is why I say you got to really know what's happening with your state to see if they conform. I want to be clear also. The EIDL loan is not a forgivable loan. That loan has to be paid back. PPP has forgiveness rules, and you got to know what those rules are. Make sure that you know that you are spending the money appropriately. Make sure your documentation is tight on these things, because this money will be audited. Okay, please understand. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure that you all understood that it's not taxable at the federal level, but you still may be taxed at the state level. And during this tax season, I am going to caution everyone, taxpayers, tax preparers included, to put your patience hats on, because there are a lot of changes that are happening. There are a lot of credits and things that, the rules are still being put out there. So, tax preparers are going to have to take a little bit of extra time to make sure that we are preparing your taxes accurately based on this very fluid tax law. Don't go rushing out to get your, to push that button. You can still get your taxes prepared, but pushing that button, not so quickly, because of at the rate that things are changing. Okay. So I just really wanted to put that out there. All right. So I hope that helps you out for planning purposes, especially for, this forgiven loan funds, and just for bookkeeping and accounting issues. Your loan is still considered a loan until it's forgiven. So you should have this loan money on your balance sheet until it's actually forgiven, and then it becomes tax exempt income in the year it's forgiven at the federal level. At the state, It just depends on how they feeling that day, I guess. So so make sure you check your state departments of revenue website to see if they have any guidance on PPP loan forgiveness funds or EIDL grant forgiveness. Okay. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning into Home Biz Tax Talk. Again, we air Monday through Friday, and you can come right here to get your questions answered about your home business taxes. All right, have a great day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.